Hello, friend. I'm Mormo, the horror host who loves to learn and then loves to earn. And I have my computer make these little educational movies for me to watch. This one is about Jason Voorhees and female college soccer players and fat cops. And it's educational about how to make money using a hook, which is exactly something I wanted to learn about. So let's go ahead and watch the movie now.
Today we are going to talk about how to create irresistible hooks. This is the one thing that is just completely missing right now in a lot of people's sales copy, in their marketing and in their products. This is an axiom in my business: never sell or create anything unless it has a hook, and that's just more than your sales copy. You shouldn't create your product until you have a good hook or a way to enter the marketplace. What is a hook? What am I talking about? Well, what is a hook? Let's talk about that. It is a claim that only you can make that you believe will grab the reader's attention. Something you can offer that is beneficial to the reader that no one else can offer. Let me give you an example. I had a client that at one time paid me to do a critique on her sales letter. It was about saving money, but it was a pretty weak appeal: here's how you save money, cut back bills, etc., and it was very boring and bland. There were 3 benefits, but I'd seen those benefits stressed over and over again before. I took a look through the copy and there was one sentence that stood out. It was: this is how you can live above your means, or make your friends think you are living above your means, so you're living a more extravagant lifestyle than them even though they make more money than you do. And I thought, oh. So what I said is, this is the headline you need: how to live a $100,000 a year lifestyle on a $20,000 salary. See, that's a hook. That is something juicy, and it grabs the reader and hooks them in, not the standard how do you save, how to cut debts, yada yada yada. I had another client that I was coaching, a copywriting client. We were working on his headline about weight loss. In his copy he was explaining how you lose weight without having to diet and eat to your heart's content. He was trying to work in some of the elements that I was showing him. Examples of the type of thing he was creating was how a nutrition nerd, how a nerd, or how a dietitian nerd, and similar. That's one of the ways you can make it hook. But then I asked him if this appeal was something you've seen before. Have you seen people making claims similar to this: lose weight without dieting and eat to your heart's content? And he was like, yeah. And so I asked him, well, how did you really do it? He had done it. What was your one thing? And he was said it was EFT. I used EFT, which is a Chinese technique for tapping at certain points in your body. It is supposed to help relieve energy. I asked him to tell me more about this EFT. This sounds interesting. He explained that there are 14 places you tap on your body. Then I'm thinking, bingo. I told him to make a headline that says how I lost 52 pounds in 6 months just by tapping on 14 spots on my body, twice, or once, a day. That is a hook. People have never seen something like that before. That's going to grab their attention and pull them in. Wow, tapping on your body, huh? I never heard about that. Let me see what that's all about. So it's a claim that only you can make, that nobody else is making, that you make first, that you believe will grab the reader's attention. Something you can offer that is of benefit to the reader that nobody else can offer.
Okay, friends, so your hook is your headline on your sales page, and you want it to be about something that only you can offer, so you make it very a unique selling proposition and everything, and it's got to promise some kind of benefit, and I don't know, I was smoking Delta 8 and like coughed a lot while this video was playing. I'll watch it again, but so I really need to learn this hooks thing. And this is going to be a whole series of videos. There's going to be multiple videos on this topic. So be sure and keep watching. Be sure and ring the bell and subscribe and thumbs up. And in the description, I'm going to have 2 links. One is for my high ticket coaching, and then I'll teach you how to do what I do and work from home and have a work from home side hustle and everything. And then part 2, the second link, is free stuff that you can do. It's either free or $1, and it's just additional training. And this is the training that taught me to go from buying to actually start making commissions and earning money. I earned my first dollar on Warrior Plus because of this free training. So definitely check it out, and thanks so much for watching.